I think they look fantastic. Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, feel good?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. I'm Maureen from Derbyshire. I've been wearing dentures now for around 7 years. The reason I had to, one of my front teeth just fell out. The back ones were getting loose, and she just said, advised me to have them out.
So Maureen's case was an interesting case. So she presented to us as a long-time denture wearer. She'd had an upper denture for a very, very long time. She'd also had a lower denture and recently had some teeth extracted, and she wasn't getting along with her lower denture, struggling quite a lot. So we had to almost start from square one again.
Start the same way, scan our patients, take all the measurements we need to take, produced a Stratasys TrueDent, which was really good to see. We got to test the fit, the function was all really good. A couple of little aesthetic tweaks I wanted to make, but then just making a couple of tweaks on the 3Shape software, reprinting the same file, and just having that confidence that I know it's going to fit, I know it's going to occlude. The second time round, I didn't actually fit the second lot of dentures. I just handed them to her because I had that much confidence in the material and the process. So this is how Maureen presented. So this lower denture doesn't really fit anywhere near it. It sort of swims about a little bit. Never been comfortable wearing that bottom set, have you? And then this top denture, with the greatest of ease, it just falls down and there's just no retention there. It's clearly been made and then had adjustments. There's a difference in the acrylics. It's had a bit of a reline. So when we've got a trial set that we were trying just to see if Maureen could cope with a new lower denture. Just bite together for me. Okay, and then just relax your lips together as well. Okay, and open again. So this bottom denture, still a tiny bit of movement in it, but not much. But the top denture isn't going anywhere.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice. But just give us a big smile as well. So as you can see, we've still got a slight angle going down this way as we had on the old one. So this is the only changes we've really made is to just lift this left side up. And then we'll just pop this side. That's it. And then just relax those lips together. And just bite together for me. And then give us a big smile. So we've just got a kind of smile arc on this left side just to follow the lip line. I think they look fantastic.
To be able to provide what we're providing to our patients is unreal, really. I mean, it's a life-changing thing. It's a confidence thing. It's restoring someone's ability to smile. There's nothing better than that.
It's fantastic to see the impact that our work at Prime is having on patients as well. It's a real benefit of me being in the clinics and seeing these jobs fitted, getting instant patient feedback in the clinics when we're fitting analogue dentures and then giving them a 3D printed set of dentures. Just give them as a blind test, and every single time they're saying the 3D printed dentures are the ones they prefer. Is just a testament to the material, really, and it just shows that we need to sort of only produce what the patient wants us to produce. If they have a choice and they choose one thing over and over again, then we need to follow that as a lab and in the clinics as well.
They're brilliant. You can't really, compared to the others, you can't really tell. No soreness or aches or anything there. Brilliant. The others, like I say, from when they was made, I've had to wear adhesive with them. From the first day that they did them, and it's a pain using that. These 3D printed teeth, I don't have to wear any adhesive at all. Wearing these teeth, it makes me feel more confident, especially going out for meals.